Way number 28 on how to pass the Geometry Common Core Regents. Rhombuses are a type of parallelogram whose consecutive sides are congruent, meaning that all sides are of equal lengths. They also have diagonals that bisect each other at right angles, but they are not congruent. This means that their slopes will be negative reciprocals of each other, but they won't be of equal lengths. Let's use the following question from the January 2017 Geometry Common Core Regents to illustrate this point. Parallelogram ABCD has coordinates 0, 7 for A and 2, 1 for C. Which statement would prove that ABCD is a rhombus? Since their diagonals bisect each other at right angles, their slopes will be negative reciprocals of each other. So if the slope of AC is negative 3 over 1, then the slope of BD is equal to 1/3. The negative reciprocal concept can also be used to determine the vertices of a square when only two pairs of coordinates are given. In the case of a square, consecutive sides are congruent just like a rhombus. And just like a rhombus, the diagonals of a square are perpendicular bisectors, except in a square, the diagonals are congruent. So if you know the slope of one diagonal in a square, the negative reciprocal will tell you the slope of the other diagonal, allowing you to determine and state the coordinates of vertices E and M. And just in case you need to prove that this is in fact a square, you can use the distance formula to show that all of the sides are congruent. And had they given you the other two coordinates for the rhombus, congruency can be shown here as well. But just in case you're still not sure if this can help you pass, here's a 6-point short answer proof question from the June 2017 Geometry Common Core Regents. Although plotting the points is optional, it can help you see what you're dealing with. Otherwise, using the distance formula to show that all four lines of the quadrilateral are congruent is sufficient work to receive full credit. But for 6 points, you also had to prove that PQRS is not a square. So as long as you can show that the diagonals are not congruent, or that the slopes of any two consecutive sides are not negative reciprocals, then you should be okay. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, or put your feedback in the comment section below the video. Thank you for watching.